Hello and welcome to this new video, which is a live demo of the membership tracker Excel template. So what you see right now is the dashboard view. This template is ideal for any business that runs on subscriptions or memberships, such as health clubs, gym, libraries, or any business association, consumer association. So if you have to maintain a list of members, their details, their membership plan details, and their payment and renewal status, then this membership Excel template is for you. So this is the dashboard view. I'll take you through the entire tracker in a few minutes of time. So what you see right now is the main dashboard where you get to know the status of all the members and their renewal. So right now for this demo tracker, we have a total 7 members, out of which 1 member has canceled his or her membership. So we have 6 active members. Out of 6 active members, renewals are overdue for 3 members, and renewals for 1 member is going to be due in the next 7 days. For another member, the renewal is going to be due in the next 30 days. The total amount which is due for all the renewals is 3,197. And the maximum annual revenue, this is the revenue potential for an entire year, is 8,383. So a few counters for you at the top, which gives you your revenue potential, your amount due for renewals, the member count, the active member count, the renewals due, and the upcoming renewals that are to be due in 7 days and 30 days for you to take timely action. Then here you have a few charts, the pie chart for the member plan type. So here we have the drop-down section where you can decide the plan type and the associated cost. For this example, we've taken platinum, gold, silver, and canceled as a status. You could change it as per your business. It could be pro, standard, deluxe, premium, whatever you use. It's easily customizable. And once you update it here, it'll pick up here in the member list, which I'll show you in a bit. So here you have the member plan type pie chart. So you know, okay, which plan has how many members, the contribution. So here gold has 4 members, 67%, 1 for silver, 1 for platinum. Then you have a gender-based pie chart. So male, female, other. Again, this is standard, doesn't need to be customized. But if you want, you can go ahead and you can customize it here. And then you have the age group status. So how many members for each age group? This again is going to be standard for all businesses. And then you have a final chart table here, which is the status of active members and renewal due for each plan type. So the plan type, the number of active members, members due for renewal, and the amount due for renewal. So pretty clean, standard, informative dashboard, and it comes from the main sheet, the member list, which you have to maintain. So this is the one where you will be making all the entries. So pretty standard. You have the member information, name, phone number, email, gender, date of birth. Then comes what plan. So plan is a drop down. So gold, platinum, silver, cancel. Again, it comes from the drop down sheet, which you can customize. Then you have the fee, which is formula driven. So you can update the associated cost for each plan, and the member list, once you update the plan type, will pick the cost from there. Then you have the membership start date that lets you calculate the tenure of the member. This is formula driven. It calculates basis the start date. Then you have the frequency. So if you have an annual membership plan, if you have a monthly membership plan, if you want to change that, if you maybe have weekly as well, you can update that. If you do not need this, you can remove this column. Then you have the last payment date and the next renewal date. And basis this, the tracker calculates if the renewal is due or not, and also how many renewals are going to be due. So here you get a yellow alert if the membership is going to be due within the next 30 days. So this is a soft reminder that you need to take action before the membership becomes overdue. Once the membership is overdue, you get a red highlight here. Any numbers in red here means negative numbers. So these are already 34 days overdue. And then you have the payment mode, card, cash, whatever, check, however you collect payments. In case if you have multiple team members, so who is the account manager or who is the sales rep? Then you have a note section, you have the address section, and these are some formula driven columns to calculate the age and the age group. So So it's a pretty neat, pretty standard list of members to manage your subscription and your membership-based business. You could look at the reports, you could look at the charts, and you can take timely actions to improve customer retention, renew memberships on time, and grow your business. You could use the filters here to review your membership details and take actions. For example, if you only want to look at overdue renewals, you just head here, select yes in the filter. So you can only see the overdue renewals, and then you can see who is the account manager, relationship manager. So 2 overdue renewals for Jenny, 1 for John. Their action is cut out. You can ask them to contact the members and then check the status. If you want to look at the memberships that are about to be due in the next 7 or 30 days, you could go ahead and you could filter by color here. So in this demo, there is one which is going to be due in the next 2 days. So the right time to contact the member and get it renewed. So Jenny knows that what she needs to do. So pretty simple. You could go ahead and you can filter out and review the data once in a week, look at the dashboard, see how things are progressing. If you want to customize, you can add more charts. You're free to do that. If you need any help, write in the comment section or reply to the email once you get it after downloading. A few things to keep in mind in the member list. You have a few column legends here. So the blue headers, as mentioned here, are the regular columns where you could type content. So those are free to play around with. The green headers, for example, the plan type, the frequency type are from the drop-down section. So you don't change anything here. You don't type anything here. These are picked from data validation. So you can go ahead and you can change the options here and accordingly edit the data validation as required. And the columns with the orange header are formula driven. So you don't delete the formulas here. These will, once you delete the subsequent data, for example, if you delete start date, this actually becomes blank. So you don't have to go ahead and delete the values in these columns. So keep that in mind. The ones with the orange headers are formula driven columns. So don't edit the content. Those will be automatically picked based on the cells or columns that they are dependent upon. So pretty easy, pretty neat. No macros used, no advanced formulas used. You can customize it. But again, if you have any questions, any help, please write in the comment section or reply to my email. So go ahead, download it, start using it, and keep a track of all member subscriptions. I'll be back with more useful templates for small businesses. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and be safe.